Hello student, now we are going to learn what is the difference between machining and grinding. Machining is done by lathe machine, shaper machine, planer machine, milling machine, etc. Now we learn difference between machining and grinding. This column is for machining, this column is for grinding. Number 1, machining is a bulk material removal process, that is high metal removal rate MRR. Grinding has low material removal rate, that is low metal removal rate MRR. Okay. Number 2, in machining it is suitable to give proper size and can also for semi-finish the surfaces. Okay. Number 2, for grinding, grinding is primarily a surface finishing process. Okay. Number 3, for machining, accuracy and tolerance achieved by machining operations are not so good. Achieving tolerance below 2 micron is very difficult. Okay. Number 3, for grinding, grinding provide better accuracy and close tolerance. Okay. In grinding, tolerance as low as 0.5 micron is easily workable. Okay. Number 4, for machining, specific power consumption is much lower. Specific power consumption means power per unit volume of material removal. Okay. Number 4, for grinding, specific power consumption is 5 to 50 times than that of the machining. Okay. Specific power consumption means power per unit volume of material removal. Okay. Number 5, for machining, hardened and tough materials cannot be easily machines by this process. Okay. Number 5, for grinding hardened and tough material can be finished by grinding without much problem. Okay. Number 6, for machining, generated heat is comparatively low. Number 6, for grinding, extreme heat is generated during grinding. Okay. Number 7, for machining, mainly shearing occurs during machining process. Number 7, for grinding, hair rubbing, sketching, and also shearing occurs during grinding. Okay. Number 8, for machining, each and every cutting edge of the cutter equally used in cutting action during machining. Okay. Number 8, for grinding, only few less than 1% amount of all the abrasives available at the periphery of grinding wheel are involved in cutting action. Okay, only 1%. Okay. Number 9, for machining. In machining, the cutting tool is normally made of metals. However, ceramic, diamond cutter also available. Number 9, for grinding. In grinding, a grinding wheel is used for removing materials. The wheel is made of very small abrasive particles like aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, etc. It is bonded in other medium like vitrified bond, silicate bond, resinoid bond. Number 10,
for machining, rectangle of a cutter can be negative or positive value, usually ranging from plus 15 degree to minus 15 degree. Okay. Number 10, for grinding, abrasive have unusual angles that can vary from plus 60 degree to minus 60 degree. Okay. Number 11 for machining, clearance angle of cutter cannot be 0 or negative. Its value usually varies from plus 3 degree to plus 15 degree. Okay. Number 11 for grinding, abrasive have unusual clearance angles. It can be 0 or negative also. Okay. It is clear, my student, what is the difference between machining and grinding. Okay.